What is up, everybody? So this is my series on 6 ratio questions. You absolutely got to get down for the PSAT, SAT, and ACT. Share this with people who need it. And definitely leave a comment if you have any questions. Let's get into it. Ratios and proportions can get you through so many tough word problems. This one says on a certain map, 0.25 inches represents 1 mile. If the distance between point A and point B on the map is 1.75 inches, what is the actual distance in miles between point A and point B? So here, all we got to do is set up a ratio. And here's how we're going to set up the ratio. Let's look at it. It's going to be the map distance over the real distance. Okay? Map over real equals map over real. So we're going to start with the information that we have that's complete. And then we're going to take a look at the part that's incomplete. So here's what I mean. What do we have that's complete? We know that 0.25 inches represents 1 mile. So 0.25 inches is our map, and what does it represent? 1 mile of real distance. Now let's look at the second part. The distance between point A and B on the map is 1.75 inches. On the map, right? So that means that it's going to be on the top, okay, of our ratio. So on the left, we have our 0.25 inches over 1. On the right, what are we going to have? 1.75 inches, and it's asking for the actual distance. So that's going to be our variable. On the bottom, we're going to put our x. So what do we do here? Whenever you have two fractions with an equal sign in between and there's a variable, you can cross multiply, okay? You can cross multiply to solve. So what are we going to have here? 0.25 times x is 0.25x. 1 times 1.75 is 1.75. Now what do? We have 0.25x equals 1.75. We divide both sides by 0.25 and we get x equals 7. Answer choice C. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Make sure to watch the rest of the videos in this series to get the help that you need for the PSAT, SAT, and ACT. And make sure to check out our other series. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe because this is obviously the best thing that's ever happened to SAT prep. There we go. And I love it. I think that's the one.